Hi, I'm Dimitrios Gklezakos, and these are active predictive coding networks, or APCNs. An APCN is a visual attention model that parses images in a hierarchical manner. In each macro step, an APCN focuses on a large sub-area of the image. It then parses that area by recursively generating parsing programs. Each such program interacts with the image via a series of glimpses and returns the knowledge that it has acquired to its parent program. APCNs are split into two subsystems. The state subsystem is tasked with integrating the knowledge about the image that is extracted by the glimpses. It is task agnostic and trained through predictive coding. The action subsystem is task dependent and chooses the glimpse locations, both top and bottom level, that are useful to the specific task. It is trained through reinforcement learning. We apply APCNs to reconstructing MNIST digits and fashion MNIST clothing items. We also test transfer learning to novel omniglot characters. Here, we can see a parsing example for an MNIST digit. The top row shows the core top-level parts of the object that the model focuses on. The second row shows the actual bottom-level glimpses for each such top-level part. The next two rows compare the actual with the predicted glimpses. The last row shows how the reconstruction changes after parsing each object part. Here, we can see the class conditional top-level locations for fashion MNIST. Notice how these change between vertically oriented items such as t-shirts and horizontally oriented ones such as shoes. Finally, this is a parsing example for novel omniglot characters. The first columns show the extracted glimpses color-coded by macro step. The third to last column shows the composed superparts. The last two columns show the actual digit and its reconstruction. Thank you.